How to delete reference code on Shein. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can delete your reference code on Shein.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget you're going to be able to find the website and sign up links in the description of this video. So first of all, you must go into Shein.com and log in into your account. If I move my pointer on top of this icon, as you can see, there I have the option to view my username. So then you have to go into my profile, and in this dashboard in the left panel, if you scroll down, you're gonna find this option that says share and earn. There you're gonna find your code. All you can do is copy your code and use it. There's no way to delete it. Indeed, I have like a thinking about why would you like to delete your code, because with this code all you are going to do is earn some coupons and rewards. Okay, so there's no bad on it. Indeed, you can use it and refer all you want, so you will get a 50% off, and your friends will get the 10% off, or any article that they want to buy here in Shein.com. You can also share this code with the social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, and this is the invitation process. That's it. Your friend must use your code in the registration process. Okay, there's no other way to do it. Also, I would like to show you that you have the option in this dashboard to get into my reference. So in case you log in into your account and in the sign up process you didn't make the reference code available, so you can get here and use that code from that brand ambassador. What's the code? The one that I showed you previously, and you can type it here and tap on update, and that's how you're gonna get your 10% off as I showed you. That's all you can do. There's no way to delete your code on Shein.com, because the idea of it is to use it as much as you want. If you don't want to use this, that's your option, but you not are gonna be able to delete it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching.